Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the CRA error code 2515. As per our research, this error comes while using Netfile, particularly when users are trying to file their taxes through platforms like Wealthsimple Tax. The issue appears to be linked to Schedule 15 and the FHSA account information. According to our research, this error is not caused by user mistakes, but comes from the CRA's side. Many users have reported that they encountered this error even when the information was correct. The first thing to know is that the issue is from the CRA's end. Users have shared that Wealthsimple confirmed the error is being investigated by CRA. At this point, the only option is to wait until they resolve the issue. Alternatively, you can print your tax return and mail it, but keep in mind this method may take up to several weeks. If you don't want to wait for CRA to fix the issue online, then printing and mailing your return is a working alternative. In case you need further help, you can also reach out to your tax service provider or directly contact CRA support for assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.